This video is to show you some of the things that I can do with my iPad. There's my dog, my screensaver. Okay, so there's tons and tons of applications that you can use with English language learners on the iPad. I'm just going to show you some of my favorites. One of them is the students' all-time favorite, which is Cookie Doodle. Just show you how this works. Students are able to follow a simple recipe to make their own cookie dough and ultimately bake their own cookie, decorate it, whatnot, and then finally eat it. So we click on Make Dough and they get to choose whatever kind of cookie they want to make. So let's go with pecan. And it'll show you all of the ingredients and visuals and in the form of a recipe. The first ingredient is 2 cups flour. So I'm going to take the flour, I'm going to drag it over to the bowl, and then you sift the flour on the screen using your finger. The next thing is a 1/4 teaspoon salt. So I'm going to find the salt shaker, I'm going to drag the salt into the bowl, and then I actually have to pick up the iPad and shake it. And you can hear it makes a nice salt shaking noise. The next ingredient is 2 sticks of butter. So 1, and then students have to cut the butter into the bowl. 2. The next ingredient is 2 2/3 cup brown sugar. So they drag the sugar into the bowl. The next ingredient is the vanilla. So they drag the vanilla into the bowl, and you actually have to pick up the iPad and turn it over to pour the vanilla into the bowl. Okay, and the final ingredient is the chopped pecans, 1 cup. So I'm going to drag the pecans into the bowl, and then they have to tap the screen to chop the nuts. And once all of the ingredients are in the bowl, they stir it up on the screen until it's all mixed in. And the next thing, they have to roll it out using their finger, up and down, side to side. And then the next thing is to pick out a cookie cutter. So let's go with there, and I'm going to pick T for Turgeon, and tap the screen to cut it out, and then bake the cookie. And the next thing is picking the kind of frosting or the color of frosting. So let's go with red. And just use your finger to spread the icing out. And you can pick piping, so smaller icing. So yellow there. And you can do text art. So I'm going to put let's see, ROBYN, and then done, and then I'll tap on my cookie, and it prints my name on the cookie. And then sprinkles, choose what kind of sprinkles you want, orange, and then candies, you can pick whatever kind you want. There's a lot of holiday themed candies you can choose. I'm going to pick, oh what the heck, a carrot. There. Alright, now I go to my cookie jar and I set my table with the tablecloth. Let's pick a nice red, looks more like a Christmas one, and plate. Alright, now to eat my cookie I have to click the back button, and then it'll show my cookie on the screen, and then I go to eat, and then just tap, 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 oh, tap, 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 tap. And that is Cookie Doodle.